Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Canva's design tool on iPad. If you want to create a new design, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu of options for different types of design. Choose the type of design that you want to create and then tap on Use Template. You will then be able to choose from a variety of templates. Once you have found a template that you like, tap on it to open it up. If you want to edit an existing design, tap on the My Design tab in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will bring up a list of all your designs. Tap on the design that you want to edit and then make your changes. Once you are finished making change, tap on the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. Canva is a great app for creating professional designs quickly and easily. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of features, it is perfect for anyone who needs to create designs for their blog or social media account. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design app that is perfect for creating professional designs for your blog, social media accounts, or even for printing. You can create designs from scratch, or you can use one of the many templates that are available. Canva is free to use, and it is available on both iPhone and iPad. And Canva is a great tool for creating graphics, but it's important to be aware that it can be very resource intensive. If you're using Canva on your iPad, make sure you have a good internet connection and plenty of storage space available, as Canva can quickly fill up your device's memory. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.